Dear students of 12th class entrepreneurship, welcome again. Our today's topic is entrepreneurial opportunity or business opportunity. Before discussing today's topic, let us first know what is meant by the term opportunity. Opportunity means chance. This opportunity means chance. What chance? Opportunity means chance to do something. Opportunity means chance to do something offered by circumstances. To do something offered by circumstances or environment. Chance, opportunity. Chance to do something offered by circumstances, situations, environment, or anything else. But here, from the business point of view, from management point of view, we have to discuss the entrepreneurial opportunity. Means the opportunities seeked by this entrepreneur. Dear students, an entrepreneur, is the owner of the business or the person who goes to establish a business unit, who wishes to set up his own business unit. Now, what is meant by the term entrepreneurial opportunity? This entrepreneurial opportunity means availability of good chance. Opportunity means a chance, and business opportunity or entrepreneurial opportunity means availability of good chance. Availability of chance, but what type of chance? Very good chance. Entrepreneurial opportunity means availability of good chance to run a specific business, good chance to run a specific business in a given environment. In a given environment. जो हमारे पास environment उस वक्त मौजूद हो, उसी environment में हमें चांस मिलता है, गुड चांस अवेलेबल होता है बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने का या बिजनेस यूनिट एस्टेब्लिश करने का, तो उसको एंटरप्रेन्योरियल अपॉर्चुनिटी कहते हैं. बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी, जहां बिजनेस करने का चांस मिले, बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने का चांस मिले, तो उस चांस को उस एनवायरनमेंट में जब ये चांस मिले, ये अवेलेबल हो, तो उस चांस को कौन सा चांस कहते हैं? बिजनेस का चांस, यानी बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी और entrepreneurial opportunity. In other words, we can say environmental opportunity as well. Dear students, we already know that an entrepreneur always searches for opportunities. This entrepreneur tries to find out the opportunities. He always remains in search of opportunities. Always searches for opportunities, identifies the presence of opportunities, searches for opportunities, responds it. responds it, exploits it, and avails it. पहले तलाश में होता है कहाँ मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, फिर रिएक्ट करता है, फिर अवेल भी करता है, यानी कि अचीव करता है गोल. ये एंटरप्रेन्योर जो है, ही इज एन दिस एंटरप्रेन्योर is an opportunity seeker. He seeks the opportunities. He looks for the opportunities, identifies the opportunities, waits for the opportunities, searches for it, remains in touch with the market, with the environment, with the assessment. The main function of this what we call it as entrepreneur, his main function is to identify and choose a good business opportunity. ये इसका अहम रोल है बिजनेस में. ओनर जो होता है बिजनेस का, या एंटरप्रेन्योर जिसे हम कहते हैं, जिसको बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने होते हैं, द पर्सन ऑलवेज सर्चेस फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. ही इज द एंटरप्रेन्योर. ही ऑलवेज रिमेन्स इन टच to identify, to choose a very good business opportunity, and always takes benefit of these opportunities to achieve the organizational goal. बेनिफिट हासिल करने के लिए कोशिश करता है एंटरप्रेन्योर, एंड टेक्स द बेनिफिट of this opportunity, for which he waits for a long period and achieves the goal to earn more and more. Entrepreneurial opportunity motivates the entrepreneur. जब अपॉर्चुनिटी या चांस अवेलेबल हो, ये खुद ही this opportunity itself speaks what an entrepreneur has to do. It motivates the entrepreneur. For what? To accept a particular project. उससे क्या, ये चांस जो है, अपॉर्चुनिटी है, ये इससे कहती है कि आप एक्सेप्ट करो. क्या करो? एक्सेप्ट प्रोजेक्ट, बिजनेस, क्योंकि आपको फायदा मिलने वाला है. इसका जहन मान लेता है that I can get the profit, I can get the benefit, I can run over the business successfully and smoothly. So what these opportunities do, entrepreneurial opportunities, these motivate the entrepreneurs to accept a particular project, to make investment. यानी अगर ये बिजनेसमैन या एंटरप्रेन्योर, कोई भी शख्स जो बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहता है, वो मोटिवेट हो गया प्रोजेक्ट एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए, तो फिर उसको क्या करना है? उसको इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है. मोटिवेट्स द एंटरप्रेन्योर टू एक्सेप्ट द प्रोजेक्ट, टू मेक द इन्वेस्टमेंट. यानी उसको कहती है कि डाल दो कैपिटल, इंट्रोड्यूस करो मनी, कैश लाओ, इन्वेस्ट करो, परचेज द एसेट्स which are meant for your business, and activates the entrepreneur. एंटरप्रेन्योर क्या होता है? वो एक्टिवेट होता है. एक एग्जाम्पल के जरिए मैं आपको समझाऊंगा. ये बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी है क्या चीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मिस्टर तालिब हमारे पास है, एक लड़का, इज एन MBA, Mr. Talib, an MBA, wants to set up his business, his own business, but has a problem. Talib wants to set up a business but has problem. What problem? To choose the most profitable business. चॉइस नहीं होती है, चूज करनी है, सिलेक्ट करनी है कौन सी बिजनेस प्रॉफिटेबल। यहाँ क्या है, उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी होनी चाहिए ना। He wants to choose the business which can give him more and more profits. He observed that people of this area are lacking the facility of internet, computers, Xerox, lamination, or computer knowledge. What he does, he assessed the environmental condition. Assessed, उसने assessment की किस चीज की, environmental condition की। He assessed the environmental condition of his locality or of this area and decided to set up a computer institute in this location, in this environment or area. Finally, he established a very good, reputed computer institute. उसने कंप्यूटर इंस्टीट्यूट डाला, सेटअप किया, and appointed a number of qualified youth in this institute. Appointed a number of qualified and trained youth in the institute. On one hand, he gave employment, generated employment, gave employment to people, and on the other hand, he earned profit. With the result, his business was confirmed a successful one. This is called to seek an opportunity, to search for an opportunity. Talib searched for an opportunity. He got the chance to establish the business unit, to establish a computer institute in his area and earned a lot. He doesn't miss the opportunity and established it well in time. Now, dear students, there are two major criteria for entrepreneurial opportunities. Number one, the demand is more than supply in the market. क्या सोचना है आपको, जिस तरह तालिब ने सोचा, if you are an entrepreneur and wish to set up your business, wish to seek the opportunity to set up choose the very good business or profitable business, you have to see two things there. Number one, when the demand is more than supply, जो क्वांटिटीज की सप्लाई हो उसके लिए डिमांड उससे ज्यादा हो, यानी प्रोडक्ट्स शॉर्ट होनी चाहिए मार्केट में, इतनी डिमांड होनी चाहिए. नंबर वन. नंबर टू, द इन्वेस्टमेंट earns enough rate of return than expected. इन्वेस्टमेंट जो आपने की वो अर्न करनी चाहिए मच रेट ऑफ रिटर्न देन एक्सपेक्टेड. जितना आपका अंदाजा था जितना आपका अंदाजा होगा कि इस बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करने से मुझे 20 लाख इन्वेस्ट करने में 1 साल के बाद 2 लाख रुपए प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए और आपको मिलते हैं 5 लाख, तो दिस इज मोर एनफ देन द एक्सपेक्टेशन। तो इन दो चीजों का ख्याल रख के बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी अवेल करनी चाहिए एक एंटरप्रेन्योर को। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट मी रिकैप two things here. Number one, opportunity, a chance to do something offered by environment or circumstances. And then entrepreneurial opportunity, availability of good chance to run a specific business in a given environment. This was our today's topic. I think it is enough. You would have definitely understood the concept of this question. Next time we will have look on another topic. Have a nice day.